Hey, what's up, app Mafia? Welcome back to the commute. In this video, I'm going to show you how my app is going right now. Now, if you aren't aware, I was actually making my own app. There is, I don't know, somewhere, the link for the first video is somewhere. Now, I plan to release this app in this year somewhere and hopefully get some users, get to play around with it, monetize it. Maybe if not monetizable, then just make it as a project that will look good on my resume. And that's it. I just wanted to make a good app and just practice the skill of making the app from scratch and actually be making something. In this video, I'll give you all the updates for my app and how is the development going, and also update the design. And I have to make some new screens so that I can make them possible, and there's a lot of work to do. Let's get started. As you can see, this is my new app design. From the previous one wasn't that great. I made this new one. It looks kind of great, and this design itself is kind of changed in the development process, but let me introduce you to the whole design. So first of all, the app is itself known as Fractal, and it has some kind of green brownish stuff going on here, green brownish theme going on. This is your knowledge tree right here. This is the leaderboard, which will be the second tab. Then we have garden here, which will be composing of your quests and the badges that you collect, kind of like Duolingo, and that's exactly where I'm trying to get my inspiration from. You will need some wisdom units to grow your tree. You will actually see the tree growing and everything, and the tree's health and everything. There's certain streaks here. These are the things that I want to make right now. I was kind of making this search screen. Still in the process of making it. I kind of like this idea, but hopefully I'll be able to make this screen right now. And that this is the logo of the app. It kind of looks great. I don't know, I'm not that good of a designer, but still learning. Other than that, I kind of designed my own landing page. Of course, I need to update these mockups. Other than that, this is the landing page right now. It looks kind of good and it's good enough. I just want to collect emails and just see how many people would be interested in this kind of app. Let me quickly give you an update on how the coding is going on right now. So this is the app. This looks kind of great, and on the device itself, it is looking kind of great. So this is how it is going right now. As you can see, the bottom screen expands. I have this as well, something like that. Of course, these are just placeholders that I was testing in and about. This will be the leaderboard and everything. This will be the tree that grows when you actually are able to answer your questions. Let me go and give it a redo here. Give this tree a new height so that you can actually observe how this tree grows. Let's try to see what happens. As you can see, the tree has become smaller. Let me quickly grow it once more, maybe 5F, and redraw it. As you can see, the tree has grown. This is exactly how the tree will grow, and this is what I'm thinking. So the units that you utilize will help you make more and more branches. The units can be collecting by answering the questions right, and thus health. Tree health declines every time you answer the questions wrong. The thing is, the tree health, the wisdom units, will be something purchasable in the upcoming future. You can also purchase the quizzes in the upcoming future. This is how I'm thinking of this app right now. There are a lot of things to do. There are a lot of things that we can add, but this is it for now. But I have to design some of the screens like search screen and adding the quizzes, settings, low screen, streaks and stuff. There's a lot of things to do. For now, let's get started and actually design my screens. So I was able to make these three screens right here, called search screen, profile, and this lower screen. It's pretty similar to the previous screens as I have made them right here, but they weren't that great. So I made these new ones and I kind of like them. Of course, they need some kind of, improvement because I'm not that of a great designer, but I really like them for now. But I'll be improving them as I move on and as I start to develop my app. And surely this screen will be opened from the wisdom screen, the profile screen, and the lower screen will be opened from this top bar. The thing that I want to also develop is when you press start, there is a big flow that I need to develop right now. Hopefully I can do that, and that's my next process. So this is it for now. I hope you guys really enjoyed this, and if you did, like, share and subscribe as always. This is it, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I'll be taking my leave. Bye bye.